This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use a Wi-Fi password viewer and finder app. First, understand that these apps help you recover forgotten Wi-Fi passwords previously saved on your device. For Android users, rooting your device is often necessary to access these stored credentials. Always download your chosen app from a trusted app store or developer website to ensure security and avoid malicious software. This initial step is crucial for a smooth and secure experience. Once the app is installed, open it on your device. You will likely be prompted to grant certain permissions, especially superuser access if your Android device is rooted. This permission is essential for the app to access the system files where Wi-Fi passwords are encrypted and stored. After granting permissions, the app will display a list of all Wi-Fi networks your device has connected to, along with their respective passwords, usually in plain text. Many Wi-Fi password finder apps also include a feature to scan for nearby networks. This can be useful for discovering new access points in your vicinity. Some apps might even show known passwords for public or shared networks, though this functionality varies greatly. Always exercise caution when connecting to unknown or open networks, as they can pose significant security risks to your personal data. Prioritize secure, password-protected networks whenever possible. It's crucial to use Wi-Fi password viewer and finder apps responsibly and ethically. Only use them to recover passwords for networks you own or have explicit permission to access. Sharing passwords without consent can have privacy implications. Always keep your app and device's operating system updated to the latest versions. This ensures you have the most recent security patches, protecting your device from potential vulnerabilities and maintaining a secure digital environment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.